I am here in front of my 2009 Ford Flex getting ready to change out the headlight bulb. I read online that it was impossible to change the bulbs without removing the front cover, bumper cover, and the headlight assembly. I had not yet ordered the new bulb, so I came out here just to see if that was actually true. So I decided to give it a shot, and I was able to remove the old bulb without taking the headlight out or the bumper cover off. So the order I did it was I was able to pull the bulb out completely. I went slowly. It took about a minute, carefully, slowly working it out, and then I disconnected the wiring. So now I will try to put it back together with the new bulb.